So we were notified by our subscribers that they are getting some errors when they are filing ITR U. We researched on this topic and now we have come up with the solution. So let me show you a demo and then we will see what is the error and how to resolve that error. So let's say I'm filing my ITR for 21-22 assessment year, which is basically last year. And then, for example, I'm filing ITR 1. I will download this utility Excel based. This got downloaded. This is the file which got downloaded. Let me extract this. Extract to. This is the file. So let's open this file. Okay, so let's start filling this quickly. So first of all, you need to enable editing. You need to click on this. You will get another option. Macro have been disabled. You need to enable content. Just click on this. Okay, and you need to just start filling these green boxes. Now, in order to fasten the process, we can simply import prefill from the income tax portal and we can simply upload data using that prefill file. So let's do that. So now I am into the system. I've logged in. Click on e-file income tax return and here you will see one option. So you will see download pre-filled data. Just click on this and one file will get downloaded. Just select the year. So this is 21-22. Just select that and click on download. So now you can see this file is there in the download section and we will use this file further on the portal. So now I've come on the Excel utility. You just click on import prefill. Just click on this and select this prefill file and click on OK. So by this you will get all these green cells filled to the extent possible. Just keep moving forward and keep updating the green cells. So once you file the basic information above, you can just update this one. No. The important section is this. Uh, Return is filed in response to notice. So just click on this and select 139 8A, which is basically your updated return. Click on this. Once you click on this, once you select this option 139 8A, you will see that there is another tab which has popped in. And this is how this tab looks like, and you need to update the details here as well. Now let me fill these basic details like email ID, phone numbers, and so on, and then we will see further. So I've updated the salary amount over here, 4 lakh or whatever is the amount you can put. When you're on the second tab, you can just start filling these numbers, these cells, whether return filed previously for this assessment year, yes, no, whatever is the case. In this case, it is no in our example. Let's select no over here. Then the next one is once you select no to this cell, these will get grayed out. Now update this next cell which says are you eligible to file updated return? Of course, this will be yes. So the reason why I am showing all these steps again and again is that if there is a mistake in any of these cells, you will not be able to submit your return. So please pay full attention to the details so that you do not face any kind of error. Now coming to this section, reason for updating your income tax return, whatever is the applicable reason you can select. I will select return previously not filed. And then are you filing the updated return during the period? There will be two periods over here. So you can select whichever is applicable, you can select. In this case, it is up to 12 months from the end of the relevant assessment year. I've selected that. Whenever you update any sheet, just click on this validate, and if there are any errors, the sheet will give some error message. You can resolve that and just click on validate and keep going next, next, next on the subsequent tabs. So once all the basic details are updated in all the tabs, just come to the first tab, income details, and you need to click on calculate tax. Once you do this step, you can just scroll down and see there will be an interest amount under this section 234F. There will be some amount which is payable. So total tax fees interest payable is coming as 1000 rupees. Similarly, when you come on this part B ATI, this tab, you will see that yes, there is a tax due amount which is 1000 rupees. You need to ensure that you have paid this tax and you have updated the challan details also, only then you will be able to file it. So let's do the tax payment now. So let me tell you the website. It is just write tax payment online. You will get this website onlineservices.tin.egov.nsdl.com. So you can just click on this first link. Please ensure that this is the right link, otherwise, because there are so many fake websites also, you need to be little bit careful about it. So if you see, there are two sections. One is for TDS, another one is for non-TDS. And in non-TDS section, you will see challan number ITNS 280. This is where you need to click to pay your taxes. So just click on this proceed. So this is how the challan needs to be created. So tax applicable, just fill this one 0021 income tax other than companies, because you're not a company, you're an individual. You will select this section, and then type of payment, you can just select self-assessment tax. You you have to select this 300 over here. The next step is for net banking. Just select your bank from here, and then the PAN number, assessment year. Very important point over here in assessment year. For example, you are filing for assessment year 21-22. So do select 21-22 only from here. Then the basic details like address and all, and then you just submit it, proceed it. I will just fill up this information and then we will click on proceed. I'll show you everything. Once you update all these details like address and all, you can just click on proceed here. You will be routed to this page, and then you can just scroll down, click on this I agree, and then submit to bank. So now whichever bank you choose, you will see login details of that bank, and this page will appear once you log in, and then you can just write 1,000 rupees in the income tax amount. You can write 5,000 rupees if your income is more than 5 lakhs. So once you update this, scroll down, put the passwords and all, and just hit submit. Once the payment is done, you can come to this tab Part B ATI and update these tax details over here. Basically, you will see a BSR code in the challan, date of deposit, serial number of the challan, and the amount. Just update this detail. Now you have updated the details over here. This will be the 1,000 rupees challan, and if you see, tax paid will also be 1,000 rupees. Now let's see. Now you need to come to the first tab, income details, and click on calculate tax. Let's see if we see or if we get any errors over here. Now, after clicking on the calculate tax, the sheet takes some time, and then finally you just need to click on generate JSON. Now when I click on this, it gives me this kind of message. You just need to click on OK, and then you need to click on save JSON here. Once we click that, it gives you a message which says that the JSON file is saved on the same location where this ITR is saved. So let's go and check what kind of file is there. So if you see, this file got saved here at the same location where this ITR was saved. Now, if you are getting some errors while generating just this JSON file, what you can do probably is, so if you get an error, just come to this part B ATI and update these sections. Sometimes if these sections are not updated, you might get an error. So whatever is if you're showing some salary income, you can just update the same amount over here, and then the error will be resolved. One more case in sometimes you might find that the Excel is showing some errors. In that case, please check that there is one section TDS, this tab. You should not update anything over here. Sometimes if you update your challan details over here, the Excel will show some errors. Further, if you scroll down, you will see that there is a section for self-tax payment, self-assessment tax payments. Again, you do not have to update this section. So please do not update this section. The only place wherein you have to update your tax details is this particular tab which says Part B ATI, this tab, and this section which says tax paid details only as per updated returns. So if you have seen the video till here, you have seen that step by step we have gone through the entire process and I did not get any error. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you want to support long format videos wherein we teach or we explain these kind of issues, we need your support. So please do subscribe to the channel so that we feel motivated and keep making these kind of educational videos which are really helpful. And of course, this is a free of cost educational videos which we are making so that it benefit all of us. Give it a like if you have learned something new. Thank you so much for watching and Jai Hind.